Sources reveal government may come out with OTT regulation norms today. That's the breaking news coming in. Objectionable OTT content may be regulated. That is what the sources are indicating. The ministry has convened a meeting over the controversy relating to Amazon web series Tandav. This is a big story coming in at the moment on the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. The government may come out with OTT regulation norms today. Pankaj Upadhyay is now joining us live. Pankaj, outside of the controversy which is brewing around Tandav, this looks like an overall overhaul in the censoring when it comes to the OTT platforms, and the government may just come out with the OTT regulation norms today. How does the creative fraternity in Bombay, in Mumbai, feel about a move of this particular nature?
Well, Chati, we haven't really heard much from the entertainment industry as of now, either on the controversy with regards to the web series Tandav, or with the move that has been doing the round that perhaps very soon the Information and Broadcasting Ministry could be coming out with regulations for the OTT platforms. And now, yes, we know for the fact that the entertainment industry is divided when it comes to the web series Tandav. While one have hailed the web series for its powerful acting and the scripting, but on the other hand, there have been many in the fraternity itself who've been saying that perhaps such sort of a content is not necessary, because it has been of late, it has been creating a lot of controversy. But of course, there have been many people of late, like Nashiruddin Shah as well, who've been saying that for a very long time, efforts have been made by certain quarters in the society, certain leaders, to create a divide between the Hindus and the Muslims, and Bollywood is unnecessarily being targeted. But yes, many political leaders as well, including the BJP mainly, have been saying that now is the time that regulations need to be made, regulations need to be framed for the OTT platforms. What we're hearing from our sources in the INB ministry is that they say most of these series and contents are finding their place in the OTT platforms, because during the COVID times, they were not really able to get any platforms in the theaters or in the TV as such. And if at all they found such platform, then they would have to abide by the rules and regulations. But since they are in the OTT platforms, they seem to be free from all the regulations. Hence, all the more need to bring about such regulations. Yesterday, we know Member of Parliament Manoj Kotak from Mumbai Northeast had indicated that after having a word with Information and Broadcasting Ministry, he felt that the regulations were nearby, thereby indicating that the ministry was in a very serious fashion thinking of bringing about the regulations. But today the scene has shifted now from the BKC police station to this building here in Mumbai, where the office of Amazon company is. And since morning, BJP MLA Ram Kadam has been making headlines, and at this point of time he is inside the Amazon office along with some of his supporters. Mumbai police did not allow all the supporters of the BJP to barge inside and create the dharna, as the BJP MLA was saying earlier, as was planned. But right now what's happening is BJP MLA along with some of his supporters are inside the Amazon premises, and they say that they will demand a written apology from the officials there. Otherwise, their boycott and protest in the streets of Mumbai against Amazon will continue in the days to come. And specifically, he has targeted Saif Ali Khan yet again, saying that the seasoned actor would have known the contents of the series. Why didn't he say that the contents were inappropriate? And that,
you know, this is the larger debate on creative liberties that will break out in case this particular regulation comes into place. We will be tracking the story in much detail. For now, thank you, Pankaj, for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.